Sneak Show royalty, what it do? It's your boy Timo the Sneak Show back with another video. Shout out to all my Sneak Show kings and queens. I thank y'all again for watching your boy Timo the Sneak Show. And this video today is actually going to be another video explaining how you can sell your sneakers. The last video was actually about can you sell your used sneakers. That link to that video will be in the description below, but this video is going to be a tutorial about how you can sell your sneakers on StockX. So that will be coming up in less than 30 seconds.
Hey yo, it's Timo the Sneak Show. Thanks for the peep, yo. Competition stand to the side like a free throw. This ain't no diss, I tell you no lie, no. Tune to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content. I don't live my life front, and make sure you don't forget to hit the like button. Check me on my IG, follow me there. Yeah, you know I keep them J's in them Nike Airs, yeah.
Welcome back, y'all. My name is Timo the Sneak Show, and if this is your first time viewing my channel, I'm an entrepreneur, a sneakerhead, and affiliate marketer. I market anything from Jordan brand and Nike brand sneakers and anything that's hot in fashion right now. If you like videos like these, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload content. In this particular video, I will be explaining how you can set up an account with StockX and how you can sell your sneakers through the app and online. Right now, we about to get right into the content.
Okay, so this is how it goes, y'all. Of course, you have to go to the App Store and put StockX in the search bar so that you can be able to download the app. So we're going to do that. Put StockX in the search bar, right? And you got GOAT too, but we'll talk about that another video. But StockX, buy and sell, go click on get so that you can download the app. Once you have it downloaded, then of course you open the app up. Buy, sell, research, StockX, buy and sell sneakers, streetwear, and more. But we're going to stick to the sneakers on this particular video. But anyway, like I said before, you open the app. After you download it, we go in back into StockX go into the app. You sign up, and after you sign up, of course, you'll be able to log in and log out as you will. You can actually set it up with Facebook, Twitter, as you see, real basic, first name, last name, create a username, put your email address in, the password, and set it up. Make sure you have a debit card because you're going to have to do that as well. But after you do all of that, then you're ready to be able to shop and sell on StockX. Okay, y'all, so after you did everything, set everything up, of course, StockX, the app is now on your phone. So let's go to StockX, clicked on that. All right, so it's loading up. So, okay, here we go. Sneakers, streetwear, watches, handbags. Now, right here, we talk about sneakers. So, right here, you see the first line says most popular. You scroll down, see this most popular sneakers at the time of this recording. It fluctuation changes daily. New lowest acts are people who actually are selling certain sneakers, and these are the lowest prices per particular size. New highest bids or people who's actually trying to buy certain sneakers, and these are the highest bids for those particular sneakers. Release calendar is basically at the time of this recording a sneaker that's either coming out today or within the next few days. Now, let's say that you have the Jordan 11 Retro, or you're trying to buy the Jordan 11 Retro Concord 11s. You would click on that sneaker, and my size is size 12. So say I'm trying to buy the sneaker, right? Lowest ask is $296. The highest bid is $280. If I want to buy it, I'm gonna have to pay $296 plus whatever fees that StockX charges, which is usually 13%. And the highest bid is if I'm trying to sell the sneaker at that particular price, and then after fees, I get a certain price. So let's go through it. Let's say you want to, first of all, just view all ads. Click that. This is all the people who got the sneaker for sale. see the highest ask is $1,000. So somebody's planning on sitting on the sneaker until it reaches $1,000. So they believe that the value is going to rise to the point where they'll be the one with the sneaker to sell it for $1,000, right? And then you can also go to bids as well, and these are just people who's bidding on the sneaker. And we see on the size 12, the lowest bid is $25. So let's go back. Let's say I want to buy this sneaker. Click on buy. Now someone's actually trying to get $296. So if I want to pay that price, that'll be $309.95 after StockX does their fees. But say I want to place a bid for $200. Say I want to wait. I believe that the sneaker is going to drop in value and that I'm going to pay $200 plus whatever fees, which will be $213.95 after StockX takes their cut out of the deal. All right, but let's go to sell. Say I got a size 10. I want to sell. So you would click on size 12 right here on the side. Go to a size 10, say I want to sell. All right, the highest. Now you see how the prices change, because the prices change depending on the sizes. Usually smaller sizes are actually a little bit more, especially like sizes 7 and 8, stuff like that, or 9. All right, but say we got a size 10, we want to sell that. Now it says hold the phone. First of all, at the top it says which one, question mark. Hold the phone. This product has a few doppelgangers. These products are often confused for each other. Please take a close look and choose the product you have. Now the reason why I'm saying this is because in this particular sneaker, it came out in different sizes. For example, this is a men's size. You click over to the left, it'll go to Jordan 11 Retro Concord 2018 GS. That's grade school sizes. Keep clicking over. Preschool size. TD is toddler, I is infant. So we go back, scroll over to the men's sizes, and you will go to the bottom and click I have this one. Now we were saying that we were selling a 10, hypothetically a size 10, right? So we see that the highest bid for that is $272. If you want to take that bid, you can go to sell now and get the $239.36. And this is what I love about StockX, is because you don't necessarily have to wait for a bid. You can just sell it right then and there. But say you don't want to sell it for that low because the money that you're going to receive at the end is not what you want. So say you want to go to place X and say you want to set it at $500, just for example. And after StockX takes their fees, it'll be $440. So you would just sit on your sneaker until someone actually accepts your bid. And that will happen if the shoe goes up in value and people want it bad enough. Some sneakers even go up to thousands and thousands of dollars. Okay, so that's just the basics of how StockX works. So that's just the basics how StockX works. Now let's say you got a sneaker that they don't have on the home screen, and you want to go back and go to search. Now say you got Jordan 7 Barcelona Knights, for example. So put Jordan space 7. And you see when you go to 7, different little Jordan 7s come up, and they say I'll go. So before I even finish, I didn't have to finish spelling Barcelona, and it pops up. So we click that, and the same thing. Like if I want to buy it, it'll be $165, and plus the whatever StockX charges, of course. And then if I want to sell it, it'll be $115. So if I want to buy it, you just click on there, and I'll pay $178 after they do their little fees. But I could go place a bid and say I want to pay $100, right? $100, and it'll be $113.95. And the same thing goes for if I want to sell it, $115. 101, or go here and place the ask for $325, just for example, and I get $286 on the dot after StockX. All right,
I want to thank you all for watching my video. Once again, like I said before, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new content. Make sure you give me a follow on Instagram as well, because I post some of the dopest pics, as well as I do random giveaways. So you want to stay in tune for that. And you can always leave a comment in the comment section if there's anything that you need me to explain that you didn't understand in this video. You can hit me with a DM on Instagram as well. I'll make it a point to engage with my audience. I make it a point to engage with my Sneak Show royalty, my Sneak Show family, my Sneak Show kings and queens. So never hesitate to shoot me a DM on Instagram or comment on this video. And also in that comment section, let me know, man, what sneakers y'all looking forward to in the next month, man. January, a lot of heat coming out for January. So let me know in that comment section what y'all feeling, what y'all liking, man. It's your boy Timo the Sneak Show. Stay humble, go hard, follow your dreams, and don't let nobody stop you. 1.